High-intensity interval training (HIIT) has garnered widespread attention as one of the most effective and efficient forms of exercise. Its popularity stems from its ability to deliver significant health and fitness benefits within a relatively short period. HIIT involves alternating short bursts of intense physical activity with brief recovery periods, allowing individuals to challenge their cardiovascular system and muscles in a unique way. This method of training is effective not only for boosting physical performance but also for improving overall health and well-being. One of the key reasons HIIT is so effective is its ability to maximize calorie expenditure in a short amount of time. During intense intervals, the body works at near maximum effort, leading to higher energy expenditure compared to steady-state exercise. This intense effort requires the body to use more oxygen, resulting in an afterburn effect, scientifically known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption (EPOC). This means that even after a HIIT workout is completed, the body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate as it works to restore itself to its pre-exercise state. This phenomenon makes HIIT a particularly appealing option for individuals seeking to lose weight or improve their metabolic rate. Moreover, HIIT has been shown to improve cardiovascular health significantly. During the intense intervals, the heart is challenged to pump blood more efficiently to supply oxygen and nutrients to the working muscles. This repeated stimulation strengthens the heart, enhancing its overall capacity and endurance. HIIT can also improve markers of cardiovascular health, such as blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Research suggests that HIIT can be just as effective as, or even superior to, traditional moderate-intensity continuous training (MICT) in improving cardiovascular fitness. The versatility of HIIT makes it accessible to individuals of different fitness levels, allowing them to tailor the intensity and duration of intervals to suit their specific needs. Another aspect that contributes to HIIT's effectiveness is its ability to preserve and build muscle mass. While some forms of exercise, such as long-duration cardio, may lead to muscle loss, HIIT emphasizes high-intensity efforts that engage both fast-twitch and slow-twitch muscle fibers. This dual engagement helps maintain muscle integrity while promoting hypertrophy in certain muscle groups. HIIT workouts often incorporate bodyweight exercises, resistance training, or plyometric movements, which further stimulate muscle growth. This combination of cardiovascular and strength training makes HIIT a comprehensive approach to fitness that benefits both the heart and the muscles. HIIT also excels in improving insulin sensitivity and regulating blood sugar levels. Insulin sensitivity refers to how effectively the body can utilize glucose from the bloodstream, and higher sensitivity is associated with reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. The intense intervals in HIIT encourage muscles to use glucose efficiently as an energy source, leading to better regulation of blood sugar levels over time. This makes HIIT an excellent option for individuals with metabolic concerns or those seeking to improve their overall metabolic health. Another unique benefit of HIIT is its time efficiency. In today's fast-paced world, many people struggle to find time for lengthy exercise sessions. HIIT addresses this challenge by delivering substantial health and fitness gains in a shorter duration. A typical HIIT session can range from 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the individual's fitness level and goals. Despite its brevity, the intensity of the workout ensures that participants reap the rewards of a much longer session of steady-state exercise. This efficiency makes HIIT an attractive option for busy individuals who want to prioritize their health without sacrificing other responsibilities. Beyond its physical benefits, HIIT has a positive impact on mental well-being. Engaging in intense exercise can release endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which contribute to an improved mood and reduced stress levels. Additionally, the sense of accomplishment that comes from completing a challenging HIIT workout can boost self-confidence and motivation. The varied nature of HIIT also keeps workouts engaging and exciting, preventing the monotony that can sometimes accompany traditional exercise routines. This mental stimulation adds an extra layer of appeal to HIIT, making it easier for individuals to stay consistent with their fitness journeys. HIIT's adaptability is another factor that makes it effective. It can be tailored to suit the goals, preferences, and limitations of different individuals. Whether someone is looking to improve endurance, build strength, or enhance agility, HIIT can be customized to target specific fitness objectives. For example, runners can incorporate sprint intervals to boost their speed, while athletes can include explosive movements to develop power. This flexibility ensures that HIIT remains relevant and accessible to a wide range of people, regardless of their starting point. It's worth noting that while HIIT offers numerous benefits, it is also a demanding form of exercise that may not be suitable for everyone. Individuals with certain health conditions or injuries should consult a healthcare professional before embarking on a HIIT program. Additionally, proper form and technique are crucial to prevent injuries during intense movements. Beginners are encouraged to start with shorter intervals and lower intensity levels, gradually progressing as their fitness improves. Incorporating rest days and prioritizing recovery are essential to avoid overtraining and ensure long-term success with HIIT. In summary, high-intensity interval training stands out as an effective and versatile approach to fitness. Its ability to maximize calorie burn, improve cardiovascular health, build muscle, regulate blood sugar, and enhance mental well-being makes it a powerful tool for achieving a wide range of health and fitness goals. The time-efficient nature of HIIT, combined with its adaptability, ensures that it can be seamlessly integrated into the lives of busy individuals. As with any exercise regimen, it's important to approach it with mindfulness and care, recognizing its intensity while reaping its benefits. Whether someone is aiming to boost athletic performance, lose weight, or simply lead a healthier lifestyle, HIIT offers a compelling solution that delivers results.